In Module 1, we will talk about monitoring, evaluation, and learning and the various concepts related to it. But first, let us define what MEL means. M stands for monitoring in the MEL process. It refers to the routine tracking of project resources, activities, and results, and the analysis of the information to guide project implementation. It can be said to be the systematic and continuous collection and analysis of information about the progress of development intervention. Monitoring ensures that all the people who need to know about the intervention are properly informed and decisions can be taken in a timely manner. E stands for evaluation in the MEL process. According to Michael Scriven, the process of determining the merit, worth, or value of something or the product of the process is evaluation. It refers to the periodic assessment and analysis of an ongoing or completed project. L stands for learning in the MEL process. It is a process through which information generated from M&E is reflected upon and intentionally used to improve a project's ability to achieve results continuously. Now that we know what MEL stands for, we can also say that it is an approach to evaluate or assess programs. It provides tools to help grant makers evaluate and improve programs. NGOs, government agency, and other grant makers can use MEL when they need a systematic way to monitor comprehensively, evaluate selectively, and learn continuously to support their programs or initiatives. Let us consider an example of a problem in Nairobi, the capital of Kenya. In Nairobi city's rural communities, the number of females suffering from HIV/AIDS infection is rising. Women don't seek therapy for a variety of reasons, including a lack of confidence in medicine, accessibility issues, social stigma, and the cost of the medical treatment itself. To solve this problem, a health system has been established to implement prevention and treatment policies. Within the confines of the current legal system, health professionals have gained new abilities and can provide the HIV/AIDS community with the necessary support. For such a project, MEL can help solve crucial questions that can determine the success of this intervention. Some of these questions can be: how to design the project? What should be its key components? What causal pathways should it build? Who should it target? Etc. And once the project is implemented, questions such as how to monitor the project, how to use monitoring data, how many indicators should we have, etc. become crucial. This is primarily the work of MEL.